This is the LG Escape Plus. That is what it looks like, and this is how you factory reset it. We're going to hold the volume down and power at the exact same time. When we see the LG logo pop up, I'm going to let go of power and then press power immediately again. So let's get started. Volume down and power. 1, 2, 3, hold. Keep holding. There's a logo, let go power, rehold power. And that brings up the factory data reset. It's going to delete all user data, including LG and carrier apps, and reset all settings. So we're going to use volume to choose yes, OK with power. One more time to verify, we're going to use volume, choose yes. You only have to press it once, but it does take about 5 seconds for it to complete and go to the erasing circle screen. And depending on your phone, it may take a few seconds like this, or it may take a minute or two. But that is how you factory reset, hard reset the very old LG Escape Plus. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.